In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the font and color settings on your GoDaddy website. This can really improve your site's appearance and make it more consistent with your brand. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to adjust the default font and color scheme for your entire website by changing the overall theme settings. Begin by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening the Website Builder Editor. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the theme or design option in the main editing menu, which you'll often find on the right side or top of the toolbar. Once you're in the right place, you'll notice an option labeled Fonts. Clicking on this will allow you to select a prepared font set. This includes choices for both headings, which are your titles, and body text, which makes up the main content. The moment you pick a new font pair, it will automatically update the text across your entire site. This feature ensures that your site maintains a cohesive look and feel. Next, let's shift gears and look at colors. Return to the main theme or design panel and find the Colors section. Here you can select a brand new color palette, changing the primary, secondary, and accent colors. This palette governs the default color of your headings, buttons, and other accent elements. It even includes the text color if it's set as primary or accent. By carefully choosing these colors, you guarantee your site maintains visual appeal tied closely to your brand's identity. Now let's explore how you can make changes to font sizes and styles for specific text blocks. This method allows you to override the global theme settings when you want something to stand out or differentiate itself. Start by clicking directly on the text block you want to edit. This could be a heading or a paragraph. Highlight the specific words or phrases you wish to tweak, and you'll notice a formatting toolbar appear above or beside the text block. To change the size, use the drop-down menu to select the appropriate heading tag, like H1, H2, or H3, or opt for the paragraph style. Remember, heading tags are linked to size, so H1 will appear larger than H2, and so on. If you want to alter the color, click on the color palette icon, which typically looks like an A with a colored bar underneath it, allowing you to pick a different hue for your text. Additionally, this toolbar gives you options to apply other styles such as bold or italics, or even create lists. Once you're happy with these adjustments, don't forget the final step. Click Publish. This makes all your changes live on your website for the world to see and admire. With these tools, you're well on your way to making your website not only more visually appealing, but also effectively aligned with your brand.